Hey there! Feeling a bit low on energy and motivation lately? It might be because of low testosterone levels. Testosterone, this important hormone, does a lot for us guys, from fertility and sexual function to keeping our bones and muscles in check. Now, it's totally normal for testosterone levels to dip with age, but some lifestyle choices and health conditions can speed up the process. The good news? There are ways to give those testosterone levels a boost. And guess what? Hey everyone, it's DN Fit. We're diving into the world of foods that can amp up your testosterone in this video. So stick around to find out about some tasty additions to your diet that can help you feel more energetic and on top of your game. Let's get started. Before we continue, a quick reminder. This video is for educational purposes only. If you have any medical concerns, always consult with your doctor. Now, back to the topic at hand. And if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our informative content. Let's chat about those green veggies we all know. Spinach, kale, and collard greens. These aren't just good for your taste buds. They've got something cool inside called magnesium. Think of magnesium as a superhero mineral because it helps make testosterone, which is a big deal for guys. Here's the simple version. Magnesium starts a chain reaction in your body. It tells your body to make luteinizing hormone, and that hormone is like a cheerleader for testosterone. So it's like a teamwork thing happening inside you. But there's more to love about these green heroes. They also bring lots of vitamins and antioxidants to the table. These guys are like bodyguards, fighting off inflammation and stress. And for guys, that's important because too much inflammation and stress can bring down testosterone levels. Here's another bonus. These greens are light on calories and heavy on fiber. Why does that matter? Well, keeping a healthy weight is a thumbs up for testosterone, and these veggies help with that. Some of these greens, like arugula and beet greens, even have nitrates. Nitrates are like little helpers for better blood flow and oxygen in your body. And why does that matter? Good blood flow is like a delivery service for the good stuff your body needs, especially for making testosterone. It's also good news if you're dealing with any issues in the bedroom. So it's not just about eating greens. It's about giving your body a happy boost for testosterone. Next in the list is fatty fish, like salmon and sardines. They're not just yummy. They're packed with good stuff your hormones love, such as vitamin D, zinc, and omega-3 fatty acids. These are like the superhero team for keeping your hormones happy. Sure, some greasy foods can lower testosterone, but here's the twist. Eating too low fat might not be great either. Research says higher fat diets are friends with better testosterone levels. So having healthy fats from fatty fish is not just good for your overall health, but can boost your hormones too. And here's the cool part about fatty fish. They're not just about healthy fats. They also bring zinc, vitamin D, and protein, all crucial for keeping your testosterone levels in a good mood. Speaking of vitamin D, it's a big deal for guys. If you're low on vitamin D, your testosterone might take a hit. If fish isn't your thing, you can try a fish oil supplement. Now let's switch gears a bit and talk about cocoa products, like cocoa powder and cacao nibs. These are like hidden heroes, packed with magnesium and flavonoid antioxidants. Flavonoids are like shields against inflammation and stress in your body. Research even says these cocoa superheroes can amp up testosterone production in tiny cells called Leydig cells in your testicles. These cells are like the factories for testosterone in guys. Here's the takeaway. If you like cocoa, go for products without a bunch of sugar like cocoa powder, cacao nibs, or low-sugar dark chocolate. They're not just tasty treats. They're giving your testosterone a little boost while keeping you healthy. So enjoy your fish and chocolate without worries. Let's talk about eggs, specifically the yolks, the yellow part. They're like tiny nutrient bombs. Packed inside are healthy fats, protein, and a cool thing called selenium, which is like the superhero that fights off bad stuff in your body. Now, some studies in humans and animals suggest that selenium might give a little boost to making testosterone. It kind of switches on certain pathways and genes that help in making testosterone. And here's a neat thing. In both people and animals, those with good selenium levels in their blood tend to have more testosterone. And don't worry about the cholesterol in eggs. It's usually the good kind. Eating up to 7 eggs a week is usually cool for most healthy folks. So enjoy your eggs. They're not just yummy, they're like a buddy for your testosterone. Let's talk about avocados. Those green, creamy goodies. They're not just delicious. They're filled with good fats that are like VIPs for your hormones, keeping things in balance. But there's more. Avocados also have magnesium and a cool thing called boron. Now, studies suggest that boron could be a buddy for your testosterone levels. It's like a little mineral that seems to help your body handle testosterone, maybe even protecting it from breaking down. Some studies say taking a bunch of boron as a supplement might help boost testosterone, but the results are a bit mixed. Right now, experts aren't saying, go get those boron supplements, because we need more research to really understand how they affect testosterone. But here's the good news. You can get a bit of boron by enjoying avocados. So having avocados on your plate isn't just tasty. It might be a simple way to keep your testosterone feeling good. Next in the list is pomegranates. Those tasty red fruits. Turns out, drinking pomegranate juice might give your testosterone a little boost. And this goes for both guys and gals. In one study, sipping on pomegranate juice for 2 weeks increased salivary testosterone levels by around 24%. So, why are pomegranates so cool? Well, they're loaded with superheroes called antioxidants like polyphenols and flavonoids. These guys fight off inflammation and stress in your body. And here's why that matters for testosterone. Too much inflammation and stress can bring down those testosterone levels. But that's not all. Pomegranates also have nitrates. These nitrates help your body make nitric oxide, which is like a helper that widens your blood vessels. And why is that important for testosterone? Because good blood flow delivers the stuff your body needs, like oxygen and nutrients, especially to the tests where testosterone is made. Now meet cortisol, the stress hormone. High cortisol levels have been linked to lower testosterone. Luckily, pomegranates have anti-inflammatory and anti-stress powers, so they might help keep cortisol in check, supporting healthy testosterone production. Here's a bonus. Pomegranates have been shown to improve sperm quality, including how they move and their concentration. That's not just good news for reproductive health. It might also lend a hand in keeping your testosterone levels in the happy zone. So, whether you eat them or drink their juice, pomegranates are like a little boost for your testosterone and overall health. Cheers to that! Let's talk about shellfish, like oysters and clams. They're not just tasty, they're like nutrient powerhouses. They're packed with zinc, selenium, and omega-3 fatty acids, all buddies that might help keep your testosterone levels in a happy place. Now, zinc is a big deal for reproductive health. Not getting enough zinc can lead to hypogonadism. Some guys with this condition might find high-dose zinc supplements helpful, but right now, they're not a one-size-fits-all fix. Still, eating foods rich in zinc, selenium, and omega-3 fatty acids is a tasty way to give your hormones some love. So why are these nutrients so cool? Well, zinc plays a crucial role in keeping things reproductive healthy. Selenium and omega-3 fatty acids are like sidekicks that support your hormonal health. By adding these shellfish goodies to your meals, you're not just treating your taste buds, you're also giving your hormones a little boost for overall well-being. Let's sum it up. If you're looking to give your testosterone a boost, here's the lowdown. Leafy greens. Eat stuff like spinach, kale, and collard greens. They've got magnesium that helps your testosterone and other good stuff to fight inflammation. Fatty fish. Munch on salmon and sardines. They bring vitamin D, zinc, and omega-3 fatty acids that are great for your hormones. Eggs. Don't skip those yolks. They've got healthy fats, protein, and selenium, which is like an antioxidant superhero. Avocados. These green goodies have healthy fats and stuff like magnesium and boron. It might help with your testosterone. No need for fancy supplements. Just enjoy avocados. Pomegranates. Sip on some pomegranate juice. It's loaded with antioxidants, nitrates for better blood flow, and can help with stress. Good for your testosterone! Shellfish. Think oysters and clams. They're like nutrient superheroes with zinc, selenium, and omega-3 fatty acids. Your hormones will thank you! So mix these tasty foods into your meals, and you're not just treating your taste buds. You're giving your hormones a little boost for a happy, healthy you. Remember, eating these tasty foods isn't just good for your taste buds. It's like giving your hormones a high five for a healthier you. Keep it simple, keep it tasty, and take care of yourself. Did you enjoy this video? If so, hit the like button and subscribe for more informative content like this. Thanks for watching. Your wellness is our mission.